Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebo G. In case you don't know, I believe you already know what this video is all about. Guys, we just hit 1,000 freaking subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. Is this for real? This is happening. This is happening. I can't believe this. I remember like when I started YouTube like a few years back, and it's really tough. I wasn't that consistent, like, but I keep on questioning myself, like, am I really gonna make it? Is this really gonna be possible to get 1,000 subscribers? Talk more of, you know, other numbers. But I'm so grateful that today you guys made it happen for me. So I want to thank every 1,000 subscribers, each and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate. And also I want to thank all those people, most especially those who have been engaging on my videos by watching or by commenting. I also really appreciate, even if you haven't subscribed yet, but I will appreciate a lot if you do subscribe. So grateful. I really can't, I don't know when. I'm just thank you, just thank you so much. This really means a lot to me. It does. You guys subscribing to me, that tells me that you guys really like what I'm doing and you want to see more, and that encourages me to be more consistent in bringing more quality videos to you guys. If you're a small YouTuber like me and you are on a journey to 1,000 subscribers, the master key is consistency. So don't be discouraged, though it's hard. Don't be discouraged. Keep on doing what you're doing. I believe we reach our goals. Each and every one of us, we will reach our goals. So guys, if you have any suggestion on what you want me to improve on my videos, or if you have any place in mind you want me to visit in Nigeria, please be nice and drop a nice comment and let me know what you think. I promise I will read all your comments and I will reply. Thanks to every one of you who have subscribed, supporting this channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Let's take it to 10,000 subscribers. We can do it. I will see you once again next time I upload. Peace out. All day.